be remiss if I didn't say the biggest issue currently facing carriers today is related to reinsurance. But they have, there's a lot of other challenges. A lot of challenges just with kind of keeping up with the latest technology, what's going on in terms of, InsurTech, and are there opportunities there for companies to, really jump ahead. So it's not necessarily a problem, more of an opportunity. Right now, I'll say one very interesting thing that we're seeing. There's a lot of startups out there, and a lot of these startups, well, they're starting as MGAs, and they may become an insurance company. They may not. They may continue to be an MGA. And what we see there is an opportunity for fronting carriers in particular. But in addition to that, there's an opportunity for us to engage directly with those MGAs and learn more about what they're doing, and pull them into some of the discussions on our councils and so on. And what we are doing right now is, well, we've created a new membership class, and that new membership class will allow MGAs to come on board as AAIS non-voting members and be able to really, as a member, utilize our programs directly without needing necessarily to even pull their fronting carrier in as an AAIS member, as they typically have had to do in the past. So we think it's a change for the better. It's going to really, open up the MGA space and enable us to invite them into the community as members. So there's a lot of things that we are doing to try to help our members. One thing that I'll mention is, when companies go to adopt a program or update a program, there's always expense involved in that from the company perspective, reprogramming systems and so on. And what we're working on right now is what we call the product deployment platform, and building out some really terrific assets that are going to help in terms of, again, getting a product up and running or updating a product. Things such as the data tables that would be needed. We're going to be delivering those digitally. In addition to also having what we call mind maps that essentially tell you how to program the forms logic, and the really how to program the entire manual. So just to try to simplify things as much as possible to make either a transition or an update much less painful. The market's pretty tough right now, but we've seen this before. We've seen it. Insurance is a very cyclical business, and we will see this. We'll ride this through, and at the end, I think that we'll emerge stronger than ever, and a more and more valuable contributor to the overall economy.